Hey guys, welcome along CareMadeEasy.com. I'm Zach Stroud. Today I'm going to show you another one of my Japanese maples I have in my landscaping. This is called Germaine Gyration. This is a very colorful tree. As you can see, it's going through a lot of color right here. We have some red, we have some orange, we have some yellow. During the summer, this tree will be more of a chartreuse color. Okay. And as you can see, it's getting pretty big. It's about 5 years old, and I got it in a 1 gallon. So over 5 years, it's a quick growing Japanese maple. And I haven't had any problems with it. I mean, it's just grown and grown and grown. Now it gets a little bit of shade because I have these two dogwoods here. So it's really made for full sun. Okay, so if you have a spot that you can really give this thing some width to grow, because it's going to get about around 10 feet wide, okay, and about 10 to 15 feet tall. Now that's over a bit of time, so you know it'll grow quick for the first couple of years, and then as it gets to that, I guess that 7-year mark, it's going to really start to slow down a little bit. So that's over a long period, probably about 20 years. So in the beginning you'll see a lot of growth. After that you'll see it slow down. But come on in here, I'm going to show you some of this color. So if we can look up here at the top, you'll see where this gets most of the sun. You'll see a lot of orange in here, and this thing's really starting to change colors all over now. And down here where the red is even coming in, and all of this was chartreuse. You can see back here where that's pretty much the color in the summer. But you'll notice the way the name of it is gyration. Well, if you take a look at these branches towards the back, you'll see that they just kind of contort in different ways. And a lot of those branches are just kind of contorted. None of them are straight out or anything like that. So, but I will say in here, if you'll go in here and you'll see that some of these are kind of coming over each other. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to wait till spring to do this. What I'm going to do is I'm going to come in here in the winter, first of spring. I'm going to come in here and start doing some pruning. I'm not going to do that right now because it's not cold enough. Okay, it's only November. We hadn't hit those really cold temperatures yet. So I'm going to wait till then. I usually wait till the end of winter to do that first of spring. But I'm going to take some of those branches off that are kind of covering over or hovering over each other. They're touching, and clean this up a little bit. So it's going to be a little bit more airy. Right now it's more bushy-like. So in the spring, I'll do another video, or late winter, I'll do another video where I'm going in here and just cleaning this up. Because I want all these leaves to fall first so I can see the limbs that I need to cut. But this is a great tree. And as you can see, it's in an area that is front and center. So it's like a focal point tree. I have some evergreens on both sides, leaf hydrangea in the back, and another Japanese maple here that I'll talk about in another time. But the colors of this is going to go through over the next maybe week and a half before it starts really dropping its leaves. I'm going to take some more pictures, and I'll do an update on a lot of my Japanese maples that are even changing colors from the time that I even did a video on. So I have some more I'm going to show you, but this is the one I have in one of my landscaping beds, and as you can see, it's starting to really turn the colors, and it's going to get a really nice fiery red to orange, and it's going to be really pretty. So if you have a chance to put one of these in your landscaping, I really recommend it, especially if it's front and center like this one is. So I hope you like this video, and we'll see you on the next ones, guys.